What is this sign called? No vehicles except bicycles being pushed. This sign is called no vehicles except bicycles being pushed. What is this sign called? No cycling. This sign is called no cycling or no bicycles. What is this sign called? No motor vehicles. This sign is called no motor vehicles. Please don't forget to hit subscribe button, like, share and comment this video to get more videos. What is this sign called? No buses over 8 passengers seats. This sign is called no buses with over 8 passengers seats, or buses with over 8 passengers are prohibited. What is this sign called? No overtaking. This sign is called no overtaking, or it means overtaking on right side is prohibited or is not allowed. What is this sign called? No towed caravans. This sign is called no towed caravans, or this sign indicates that towed caravans are not allowed or prohibited on this sign. Before proceeding, let me remind you to subscribe or to hit subscription button, like, share and leave a comment if you want to continue to get more videos about these reasons. What is this sign called? No vehicles carrying explosives. This sign is called no vehicles carrying explosives, or it means it is not allowed for vehicles carrying explosives. What is this sign called? No vehicles or combination of vehicles of a length shown. This sign indicates that there is no vehicles or combination of vehicles of a length shown. What is this sign called? No vehicles overhead shown. This sign is called no vehicles overhead shown, or it indicates that vehicles overhead shown are prohibited or not allowed. What is this sign called? No vehicles over width shown. This sign indicates that vehicles over width shown are prohibited or not allowed. Please, if this video is important for you, please subscribe, like and share. Also leave comment. What is this called? Entry to 20 mph zone. This means entry to 20 mph zone. What is this called? End of 20 mph zone. The sign called end of 20 mph zone. What is this sign called? Maximum speed. The sign called maximum speed. Remember that these are signs giving orders. What is this sign called? National speed limit applies. The sign means national speed limit applies. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment this video to get more. What is this sign called? School crossing patrol. The sign called school crossing patrol. What is this sign called? Stop and give way. This sign is called stop and give way. What is this sign called? Give way to traffic on major road. The sign means to give way to traffic on major road. What is this sign called? Manually operated temporary stop sign. This sign means manually operated temporary stop sign. What is this sign called? Manually operated temporary stop sign. This sign means manually operated temporary stop sign. What is this sign called? No entry for vehicle traffic. This sign means no entry for vehicle traffic. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment this video.